Hi, welcome my friend. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Under Disc Elliptical Machine Foot Pedal Exercise Fully Assembled. The digital monitor allows you to track your exercise progress using the centrally located digital monitor. Keep track of your time, speed, calories, and distance. Non-slip foot pedal. The textured non-slip foot pedals will accommodate nearly all sizes. The grip will ensure that you never lose footing during the most demanding and vigorous workout. Low profile design. This under-disc elliptical is especially designed to be low profile and low to the ground. Use it under the desk in the office, sitting on the couch at home, or even bring it with you on road trips. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.